talking about the life cycle of Entamoeba histolytica. So, and we'll be keeping it short and simple. We just have to understand that the life cycle of Entamoeba histolytica occur in only one host, which is man. And this life cycle involves 5 successive stages, which is the trophocytes, pre-cyst, cyst, metacystic trophocytes or metacyst, rather, metacyst and metacystic trophocytes. Metacystic trophocytes. So this is the 5 successive stage in the life cycle of Entamoeba histolytica. Now let us talk about the life cycle itself. What is the infective form of the infective form? Which one infects human? Is what we know as a mature quadrinucleate cyst. So a human gets infected by ingesting a mature quadrinucleate cyst, which you are seeing here. You see that they said ingested a cyst from a contaminated water, and this cyst is a mature quadrinucleate cyst. And we have to understand that this particular quadrinucleate cyst, which means a cyst that has 4 nucleus, it can stay viable under moist condition for 10 good days. It can stay viable under a certain condition for 10 good days. So a man will acquire this infection by swallowing a contaminated food or water. So let me show you this one. So can you see this man is drinking water? So he acquires the infection by swallowing the food that consists of a quadrinucleate cyst, a viable quadrinucleate cyst. So after the consumption, what is going to happen? What is going to happen is that this is what is going to happen. So the quadrinucleate cyst has been ingested. The next thing is what? Excitation. Excitation. This is it. This is what you're having here. Excitation. X, which means they go outside of their cyst, because the cyst wall is resistant to action of gastric juice. So it passes through the stomach undamaged, then it enters the small intestine. So in the small intestine, excitation occurs. So when a cyst reaches the cecum or the lower part of the ileum, due to the alkaline medium, what is going to happen is that the cyst wall will be damaged by trypsin. So the cyst wall of this quadrinucleate cyst is damaged by what is known as trypsin. So as it is damaged by trypsin, excitation occur. Now, when this excitation occur, the meaning of excitation is that removal of cysts, like the cyst is going to get detached. You understand? So the cytoplasm gets detached from the cyst wall, and amoeboid movement causing the tear of the cyst wall lead to the formation of what we know as quadrinucleate amoeba, which is a metacyst. Are you getting me now? Which is a metacyst. So look at it here. Quadrinucleate amoeba, which is a metacyst. So we have the quadrinucleate metacyst. Now, the nuclei in the quadrinucleate metacyst now undergo division. Remember that we have quadrinucleate means 4 nucleus, right? So these 4 nucleus now develop, like they undergo binary fission, which is a division, to form a what? To form 8 nuclei, each of them which is surrounded by their own cytoplasm. And these 8 nuclei become 8 small amoebulae. So look at it here. We have 8 small amoebulae. Can you see it? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 small amoebulae. And these amoebulae now are called the metacystic trophocytes. Are you getting me now? They are called the metacystic trophocytes. Now, if this excitation takes place in the small intestine, the metacystic trophocytes do not colonize the small intestine, but they are carried into the cecum. They invade the cecum. Look at it, invasion of the trophocytes. Are you getting me now? Invasion of trophocytes. So the optimal habitat for the metacystic trophocytes is the submucosal tissue of either the cecum or the colon. Are you getting me now? Either the cecum or the colon. So they lodge in the glandular crypts and they grow by binary fission. Are you getting me now? Now, some of them now insist. They insist. They go back into cysts. Are you getting me now? When they go back into cysts, once they insist, they now develop into something we know as binucleate cyst, which means a cyst that has 2 nucleus. Then they undergo binary fission again, or should I call it multiple fission? Then they develop into quadrinucleate cyst. Because this is the reason why they insist is because as the as this thing is passing through the small intestine, dehydration occur. Fecal matter is passing through the small intestine, dehydration occur. When dehydration occur, it stimulates the parasite to insist to go into cyst. You understand? So they develop into binucleate cyst, then quadrinucleate cyst, which is four nucleus cyst. Then they are shed out through a feces, through a fecal matter. So they are taken out through a fecal matter. You understand? They are taken outside. And once they are taken outside, it can now infect another person. See, can you see? Another person can ingest it, and the life cycle continues like that. And this is just a summary of the life cycle of Entamoeba histolytica. So that is just that.